Hey, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to Real Nice Guyana. Today we're going to be doing a fish curry for you guys with some sijan. Remember what that is? Sijan or drumsticks we're going to be adding to this fish curry. The fish we're going to be cooking today is snook. So snook is a fish that's similar to snapper. If you look at it here. So here's our snook. Has a big pointy mouth there, and as I said, it's similar to snapper. So we're gonna be cooking this here today with some sijan here, drumsticks as they're known, and we're gonna be also using some tomato, onions, garlic, pepper, scallions, garam masala, curry powder, cumin, which is also known as geera, and we're gonna be adding some turmeric to this curry here to give it some color as well. Okay, so that's all of it. So let's get started, guys. Okay guys, so to begin with here, mom is gonna be washing the fish here with some lime. And you cut out whatever you don't like on there. Okay guys, so Molly is pounding the garlic and the pepper here in our mortar here. So our fish is washed here, guys, and Molly's now going to chop the seasonings here. She's starting with a scallion. So it's time for the drumsticks here now, guys. Sijan. So you peel this similarly like you'll peel the veins off the same. And then you're gonna cut them into lengths about that, how long you like them. Okay guys, so when you finish peeling your sijan, this is what comes off here, and this is what your sijan, your peeled sijan looks like. And those are ready now, so we're going to complete the rest. So Molly is now going to make the curry paste here with the garam masala, the cumin, curry powder, and as I said, we are adding some turmeric today for some color. So we've added some oil here to heat in the meanwhile. Molly is making the paste here. So she's also adding all the ground garlic and pepper there to our curry paste. Some water. So that's it, our curry paste is ready here. Okay guys, so we're gonna add our scallions and onions to the curry paste as well here. So our oil is hot here now. Molly's gonna add the curry paste in there along with the onions and the scallions. That's just water there, some more water. So it's been about 2 minutes. So she's adding salt here to taste now. So you want to mix that in there now and get all your fish pieces coated in your curry paste. So she's added the pepper there now. And the sijan as well, drumsticks. So you're gonna add that here now too. And we're gonna cover this and let it bunjay here. Alright? So see you in a bit. Okay guys, so it's been about 10 minutes for our fish here. And we're gonna soon add some water here, which we are heating. So for this fish here, we did not fry these. If you would like to fry yours before, you can surely do that. But we did not fry these, and they're gonna be easy to break. So you don't really have to take a spoon and turn these. You can just shake your pan up, as Molly will show in a few seconds. So she's gonna add the water here. So that's what she does. Because if we try to turn these here, they're likely to break since they're not fried. If they're fried, you probably can turn them without breaking them. Okay guys, so after adding the water here, and Molly has shook the pan a bit to get it fish loose and stuff there. So, and after adding the water, we're now going to cover this back and let it cook. So we added the half of the tomato to bunjay the curry with, and Molly is now going to add the other half of the tomato here. Okay guys, so it's been about 18 minutes for our fish curry from the time we started, and our fish curry is done here now. Okay guys, so here is our fish curry all done, our Snook curry, and it's looking delicious, isn't it? So if you like this recipe guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Also click the bell icon for notifications. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.
That's good.